What's up, guys? We are going to check out the Tagry X08 earbuds. Let's see what we got in the box here. True Wireless Earbuds.
Time for me to lose a fight to the plastic, but
After you get through the plastic, you are met with this glossy black display screen. These are actually the first earbuds I've ever had that had a display screen on the case. Now, the display screen doesn't do anything crazy. It's just to tell the battery status, but I'll take it. Now, these are your typical plastic earbud build, except these do have a LED indicator light on both individual earbuds. I really like the color of this case, and it's actually very grippy. Man, they had this bad boy hidden. I didn't even realize this was where the accessories were. I'm over here looking. I'm like, did I move those already? But it was right in here. I guess this is just to keep the product firm in the box. But let's see what's in here. So we got the USB to USB-C cable. We also have more ear tips. Look like it's 2 in here. Now I'm really excited to try these out. I love new tech. So let's see how these babies sound, man. The sound quality on these bad boys are really good. I will like to say they get extremely loud, so don't do what I did. I should have read the safety instructions. I've never done that on earbuds. This is the first pair I ever got where I wish I would have read that, because I put them on max volume out the box and they get extremely loud. Hands down the loudest earbuds I've ever had. This is a microphone test of the Tagry X08 True Wireless Earbuds. We got a little bit of wind in the back and a couple of birds. I'm ready to order some fried chicken in these bad boys. Maybe I might get a discount. The price on these are amazing. You can get them on Amazon for $35 and you get a lot of features. They are actually feature packed, low key. I checked the reviews out. They were at 4.4 star rating with 66,000 reviews. So I wanted to see what the hype was about. Pairing these bad boys up was very easy. I just went to my Bluetooth settings in my iPhone and it paired right up. It took no time. As far as charging, you can charge them wirelessly, or you can charge them with the USB-C cable that's included in the box. You get about 60 hours of case battery life and you get 6 hours of earbud battery life. These earbuds come with touch controls. Now I use a lot of AirPods. We just now got volume adjustment on the AirPod Pro 2nd generation. All the other AirPods, you don't have volume adjustment on the actual earbud. These bad boys come with volume adjustment on an actual earbud. Another thing that this company is offering is a lifetime warranty. No matter what happens, you can replace them. You cannot beat that. A lot of companies offer a 1 year, maybe a 2 year if you get lucky. They are offering a lifetime warranty. In conclusion, these things are beyond worth $35. They started out at $50 and then they marked them down to $35. They are definitely worth $35. Now they don't have ANC mode and stuff like that. The audio is good. It's nothing crazy. It's not going to be as premium as like your Beats earbuds or your AirPods or your Sonys, but the sound quality is pretty good. I highly recommend to pick these up. You can't beat them at the price point, and they are backing them with a lifetime warranty. How can you lose? But that's all I got. I'm out.